जनता आम आदमी
Okay.
पार्टी हो,
Harish
DMK
Mohammad
हो,
Ibrahim, Harish, what changed about the Congress party that suddenly the DMK is not just not attending the meeting, openly calling out Congress and saying that we might support the NDA, etc.
First of all, calling out Mr. M.K. Stalin as an unpopular by the BJP spokesperson is laughable because they are running anyway a minority government coming down from 303 to 240 seats with the support. So don't say that the PM Modi is somehow has been reverberated across the country. That is false. And coming to the point, Pranesh, the Congress is not only backstabbed the DMK, but it also dishonest with the loyalty has been lacking at the highest order. Having said that, whether the DMK will host any importance by having a Congress in the India alliance is what Mr. M.K. Stalin questioning. Because we want, like the BJP, which wants a Congress Mukt Bharat, we want the Congress Mukt India alliance.
There you
because Congress doesn't hold any relevance because Mr. Rahul Gandhi hold 99 losses in his kitty. So we don't want such kind of alliance to be there presented by Congress, and it will be reverberated in coming days. When the 2029 election is around the corner, there will be a point where all the regional parties will form a third front which is informidable against the BJP's anti-BJP narrative. It still exists. Even if DMK is there in the India alliance or not, the anti-BJP...
No, one minute. Harish, why do you doubt the... Okay, let me simplify this. Do you doubt the intent of Rahul Gandhi or his caliber as leader who can take on the Modi, or both?
We don't want to get into the narrative whether he can take down Mr. Modi's popularity or his governance, etc. But the decisions and the calculator preposterous move after taking a post-poll alliance and the pre-poll alliance calculations in another way and another dimension in Tamil Nadu will give him a great effort in the coming elections.
All right. Vivek Srivastava, quickly, sir. Dr. Ranganathan, coming to you next.
Yeah, I'll just add. I'll just take 20 seconds or 10 seconds maybe. What the DMK spokesperson is saying is right. In the past also, there sometimes जो कुछ घटक दल हैं, they feel that we are fighting the Congress in states. Yeah, there is some ideological problem like we had regarding the privatization. So in that case, a third front is created, which has been created in the past, and then it coordinates with the Congress from outside, either jointly. Either the Congress supports the third front or vice versa, or they jointly share the power. So there are many options, but the bigger point is the DMK and the Aam Aadmi Party are anti-BJP, anti-communalism, and they are anti-RSS. So they are ideologically.
Sir, I don't know, 1 minute, which world are you in? They are anti-Congress and anti-Rahul Gandhi. सुना नहीं अभी आपने हरीश मोहम्मद इब्राहिम क्या कह रहे हैं? Dr. Ranganathan, the most successful meeting of the India Alliance happened today in New Delhi.
प्रणेश, पहले तो मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि बाय गुड सिस्टर संजू को क्या हो गया. शी नॉर्मली नेवर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स हर टाइम. टुडे शी हैज गिवन हर टाइम टू हरीश. जो हरीश डांट रहे थे कांग्रेस को, इतना तो संजू भी नहीं डांटती. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड देयर?
जज्बात बदल गए सर.
है पूरा. ये क्या हो गया? बट लेट मी कम टू दिस फैक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू फॉरगेट, इतनी फेक न्यूज फैला चुकी है यहाँ पे कि आई हैव टू कम वन बाय वन. बट सो लेट मी गो इन रिवर्स. द ओनली टाइम द लेफ्ट एंड अदर पार्टीज साइड विद द कांग्रेस is for their love of Adani. For example, when you have Telangana Chief Minister signing an MOU with Adani worth 12,000 crores, while Rahul Gandhi says Adani is corrupt, tab chup rahenge. When you have the Communist Party signing an MOU with Adani worth 15,000 crores for the port, tab chup rahenge. So only time they come together with Congress is when they are supporting Adani. That's fact number one. Fact number two, I am astonished. Look at the sleight of hand with which my good friend तहसीन ने सोचा मैं ना पतली गली से निकल लेता हूं खंबा बचा के, कोई नोटिस नहीं करेगा. He is saying, look at the way DMK has ditched us. Really? Unbelievable. You guys, actually, if you had any more, Tessine, please, I know you're smiling and laughing inside. Please don't do this. If you had any morals, your MLAs should have resigned. Because had DMK been fighting you on those 5 seats, You would have lost your deposit. Ask Harish there. You won only because DMK did not contest on those seats. Morally, you were the most improper persons to continue having those seats and then aligning with somebody else whom you were saying is corrupt. Don't vote for TVK. So please, let's not talk about morality and ethics out here. And finally, to my good friend Dr. Saab, आप जानते हैं डॉक्टर पीयूष जोशी में कितनी इज्जत करता हूं, बट फॉर हिम टू से टू कैस्टिगेट, वो ये ना आपस में लड़ रहे हैं, ये देखो तो मजा आ रहा है। अभी तो मैं फाइनल कूडेटा आने वाला, लेकिन उससे पहले फॉर हिम टू से who is fighting BJP and communal forces except Aam Aadmi Party in Gujarat and Goa. Bhaiya, you won only 11% of the seats you contested in Goa and Gujarat, Aam Aadmi Party, and you lost deposit in 70%. Congress fared much better. At least Congress won 23% of the seats it contested in Goa and Gujarat. तो आप प्लीज कांग्रेस को तो ना नकारें। एंड फाइनली मैंने ये सुना है कि बीजेपी ना लड्डू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है जब जीतते हैं, लेकिन अगले 2 दिन में ये सॉल्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने वाली है, बिकॉज नेहरू जी को कोई ओवरटेक करने वाला है। अब नो प्राइजेस फॉर गेसिंग कौन ओवरटेक करने वाला है। लेट अस आस्क तहसीन, हु इज गोइंग टू ओवरटेक नेहरू जी एज द मोस्ट सर्विंग इलेक्टेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर?
Can I answer? Obviously, he's the current Prime Minister and we wish him the best. And that also bursts the narrative that we are not against Prime Minister Modi. We are for the progress of India. Nobody hates Modi ji. We love India. All of us love India. There's no hatred for one person. It's another matter. Under the leadership of Modi ji, you require Air Force to distribute papers, and Dharmendra Pradhan should have been kicked out. Not kicked out as in metaphorically.